When Coast Learning Systems began the instructional design for Anatomy and Physiology and Introduction, we reached out to experts in the field from all over the world for input and ideas. We integrated human interest stories, real-world examples and applications into every lesson to instantly grab student attention. And using our multi-platform delivery of curriculum, we created an engaging college-level course for non-science majors. Anatomy and Physiology and Introduction presents basic terminology as it explores the chemical, cellular, and tissue levels of organization. The lessons also describe individual organs and organ systems, their forms and functions, and their interaction with each other. Anatomy and Physiology and Introduction is an online course that includes interactive activities, animations, review exercises, topic videos, graded quizzes, and an accompanying textbook. It can also be taught as a video course, with the textbook and a student guide that contains practice activities and review exercises. The optional laboratory component for this course includes additional online exercises, animations, videos, practice activities, assessments, a lab kit, and lab manual. It is offered as a separate course. The instructional designers, academic advisors, and producers of Anatomy and Physiology and Introduction have crafted this course to deliver high-level student learning outcomes. After successfully completing the course, students will be able to 1. Identify the structure and describe the function of each of the body's systems and describe their relationship in the maintenance of homeostasis, and 2. Describe key physiological processes and examine how an individual's actions can affect these processes. The recommended textbook for this course is An Introduction to Anatomy and Physiology, written by John Erickson and published by Kendall Hunt. An Introduction to Anatomy and Physiology was written and designed for a one-semester college-level course. The textbook's concise and accessible writing style is supported by relevant examples that help illuminate key concepts, reinforced by everyday analogies that hold students' attention. In view of the breadth of the material and the large number of terms that must be conveyed in an introductory anatomy and physiology course, this textbook provides a clear and logical approach, reinforced by a robust pedagogical framework with detailed visuals that provide an exceptional learning experience for students. Each half-hour video integrates expert interviews with supportive visuals as well as compelling case studies that cover core learning objectives in a thought-provoking documentary style. Topics include medical research stories, such as the properties of bat saliva that provide insights into treating blood clots and stroke, historical reenactments that help explain how anatomists learned about the internal workings of our bodies, and collaborative educational projects in which school children learn about their own skeletons as they work together to reconstruct rodent skeletons found within owl pellets.
The opportunity to help develop this course was so inspiring. The experts that were interviewed provided cutting-edge information with such clarity. The videos are filled with powerful information, interactive activities, and demonstrations. I'd imagine that being able to teach this course, one can't help but be enthusiastic. The videos provide the latest technology, research updates, personal stories, things that no one person could portray all by themselves in a standard lecture setting. They're very effective, they're gripping, and they really maintain your interest. As I described as a teacher, it's incredibly exciting to teach this course. For some of the same reasons, it'd be incredibly exciting for a student to take this course. It is something that is so essential living in today's society. We have to know how to advocate for our own health. We live in a very fast-paced society. You go to the doctor's office, you want to have your medical needs met, but you don't really always know what is going on. So if you've had this very basic information given to you, you can be more discriminating about your care. You can advocate for your loved ones. And the only way that you can do that if you're not a medically trained professional is if you have some basic knowledge and then the individual that you are working with will provide answers to your questions, and you can actually then understand those answers. So essentially, you're becoming scientifically literate. But it also provides everything to you in one package. You have a textbook that is aligned with the lectures. You have a lab manual that is aligned with the textbook and the lectures. You have testing opportunities. You have so much excitement that can be used with this course. There's this intrinsic information that is all provided to you, and then it's up to the teacher and to the student to put it together and to make it into a great experience. I've seen students come out of a very basic non-majors anatomy and physiology course that had no interest whatsoever in science, and they've come out of this course with a completely different attitude, perspective, and now are planning to go on and become nurses or medical ethics explorers, scientists, or all of the different kinds of topics that you can bring up in the discussion groups or as you pull them out of the videos. People get enthused about something or other. There's something that works for everybody's life, and you would be amazed how people use this system to change their whole lives.